Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to do a aura look using Blooming Gel, Hot Girl Summer and Popsicle. Let's get into it. After completing your nail prep, apply a thin coat or base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of Milky Pink Builder Gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, ensuring it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply 2 thin coats of Popsicle, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of Blooming Gel, leaving it uncured. Using Hot Girl Summer in the big dotting ball, apply a generous dot to the center of your nail by lightly moving it into a larger circular shape. You will notice the edge of the circle will blend into Popsicle. Once you are happy with the shape, leave the polish to bloom until you are happy with the blend. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. Thanks for watching.